Hi guys, it's Elissa at Moat Cottage, and today I'm going to show you how I dehydrate chilies in my car. I do have a dehydrator inside, and I dehydrate things like bananas and juicy fruits like strawberries, apricots, that sort of thing in the dehydrator inside. However, things like flowers and herbs and chilies, I dehydrate in this bag. I got it at a bargain shop for about $9 or $11, something like that. And it zips up and it's fly proof, so no fruit fly will get in. The reason I dehydrate the chilies in the car is because when they're ready, I usually have one that's ready and then there's nothing ready for another week. So there's no point putting the dehydrator on for one chili. So I put it in this bag, and it dehydrates really well because the time of year that chilies are ready is summer and autumn. So the car is really warm in Australia, so you may as well make the best use of it. So that's how I dehydrate chilies in my car. I also, like I said, dehydrate roses and herbs and different flowers for making salves. And I do it all year round in Australia because we get temperatures from -6 degrees Celsius to 46 degrees Celsius here at Moat Cottage, and even in winter when it's that cold, things will still dehydrate in my car. In winter though, I do use a moisture absorber in the car, one that you put in your closet, and it just sits in the car and you can see how much moisture is being absorbed to prevent the condensation in the car. I also dehydrate in these bags, and they just all sit on the back seat full of different herbs and flowers, and it works quite well. Not taking up space or using any electricity, and yeah, then I've always got herbs and flowers on hand as well as chilies. So I hope you enjoyed this video and got some tips. If you've got any questions, write them down below, and you can follow us on Instagram or subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.